Yo, you guys, it's the Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at the OUKITEL WP18 or WP. Um, as you can see, it is an outdoor smartphone and it is coming with Android, which is kind of nice to see. It's only Android 11. You might be able to upgrade that though. I'm not sure. Liking that it has a bunch of lenses, so you can actually get some good shots with this, which is kind of surprisingly. Normally they save on that on outdoor smartphones. But yeah, all in all, definitely not bad at all here. Got a nice little power supply in the bottom, and the orange is pretty vibrant and gives it this extra cool flair and look, which is kind of nice to see as well. And then corners are quite stiff, which is decent and good. They're not too rough though. Got your power and your volume buttons on the other side. Everything is nicely shut, so it is waterproofing as well. I mean, I would probably still not throw it in the ocean and let it sit there for hours, but if it just falls down, it should be fine. As you can see here, you even got room for like a little ribbon or something. So, let's check a little bit on the phone itself. I'm gonna try and keep that short though. As you can see, it's your typical Android layout. Got some really nice colors, like the brightness and stuff is not bad at all. I'm liking that. It is reacting fairly well. The touchscreen is working as it should. It's reacting right away. And all in all, definitely not a bad presentation from OUKITEL here. And gotta say, all the widgets are here, shortcuts, everything just as normal. They even have the underwater camera widget, which is kind of interesting to me. I haven't seen that widget before. And yeah, I mean, this is basically what this is all about. So check it out, OUKITEL. They always surprise me. They're doing a pretty good job on their outdoor smartphones. So until then, you guys, take care. My name is Badger. I will see you in the next video, and bye bye.